Hello and welcome to Positive Parenting Tips. My name is Bernadette and I'm a librarian with LA County Library. I have been accredited to provide the Positive Parenting program. Children might find cleaning up difficult or boring. If a child knows that someone always cleans up after them, they will not learn to clean up after themselves. And children learn from others. If others in the house are messy, then the child is less likely to be neat. The following tips are to help you teach your child how to clean up. Start with family areas where messes are unpleasant for everyone. Set a good example. Let your child see you clean up after yourself. Storing toys on low open shelves are easier to find toys rather than dumping a box of toys to find what they want. Wait for natural breaks in your child's play to ask them to clean up. For example, when they move from one place to play to another. Change activities, meal break, or getting ready to go out. Let your child know they will need to clean up soon and what will happen after they clean up. For example, Joe, when you put your trucks away, you can have your snack. Be specific and calm when you tell your child to begin to clean up. Say, Jean, please put your markers back in the box, rather than saying, clean up your mess, please. Praise your child for cleaning up. Be specific. Make a game of cleaning up. Set a timer or put on a song. Sing songs while cleaning up. Gradually decrease your help, giving fewer prompts. Reduce praise to when the entire task is done. If your child refuses to clean up, then tell them what to stop doing and what you want them to do. Say something like, Luke, stop whining right now. Pick up your blocks and put them in the box. If they still refuse, you can calmly let them know. If they can't clean up by themselves, then you will have to help them. Ignore any complaints. Put your hand over your child's hand and gently guide them through the first steps of picking up toys. Once they start, let go and praise their efforts. If they continue to refuse, you can use quiet time or time out, then return your child to cleaning up. If you don't have time because you must be somewhere, come back, remind them that they did not clean up and do as they were asked, and put them on timeout. If you do not want to guide their hand to clean up, you can use logical consequences. Maybe those toys not put away go away for the rest of the day. Ignore complaints or protests. Do not debate or argue. Remember, behavior sometimes gets worse before it gets better. When teaching your child how to behave appropriately. We hope you have enjoyed Positive Parenting Tips. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.